Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore 7 practical money-saving tips that seniors can start using right now. In retirement, managing finances wisely not only ensures a more comfortable lifestyle, but also brings peace of mind and independence. These tips are simple, actionable, and designed to make saving both easy and enjoyable. Let's dive in. 1. Create a monthly budget. The first and most crucial step to saving money is creating a monthly budget. Seniors often rely on fixed incomes, such as pensions or social benefits, so understanding where your money comes from and where it goes is essential. Take some time each month to list your income and expenses, including housing, groceries, healthcare, and entertainment. You can use a notebook or free budgeting apps on your smartphone to track your spending. Categorize your expenses and set limits for each category. For example, allocate 30% of your income to food and 20% to medical expenses. A budget helps you stay in control of your finances and prevents overspending. 2. Take advantage of senior discounts. Many stores, supermarkets, and services offer special discounts for seniors. In some places, supermarkets have specific days with reduced prices for people over 60, or public transportation systems like buses provide discounted fares. Always carry identification or a pension card to take advantage of these offers. Additionally, services like health insurance, medical checkups, or community classes often have reduced rates for seniors. Don't hesitate to ask staff or search online for information about these programs. A little research can save you a significant amount over time. 3. Save on food by cooking at home. Food is a major monthly expense, but you can cut costs by cooking at home instead of eating out. Plan your meals weekly, buy fresh ingredients from markets or supermarkets, and prepare simple, nutritious dishes. Take advantage of seasonal produce, which is often cheaper and fresher. For example, during leafy green season, you can make soups or salads. Buying staples like rice, pasta, or spices in bulk and portioning them out can also reduce costs. If you have space, consider growing herbs or vegetables like basil or lettuce for fresh, budget-friendly ingredients. 4. Reduce utility costs. Utility bills for electricity, water, and internet can take up a large portion of your monthly budget. Seniors can adopt simple habits to lower these costs. For instance, turn off appliances when not in use, switch to energy-efficient LED bulbs, and check for water leaks to avoid waste. If you use the internet, choose a plan that matches your needs. Many seniors only need a basic package for news or video calls with family. You could also share an internet plan with a neighbor or relative to split the cost. Small changes like these can save hundreds of dollars annually. 5. Shop smart and avoid unnecessary spending. Shopping is an area where seniors can save significantly with a little planning. Before buying anything, ask yourself, do I really need this? Prioritize high-quality, durable items over cheap products that wear out quickly. Take advantage of sales, promotions, or second-hand stores when appropriate. For example, clothing, books, or household items in good condition can be much cheaper when bought used. When shopping online, compare prices across platforms to find the best deal. Another tip is to make a shopping list before heading to the store to avoid impulse purchases. 6. Enjoy free or low-cost entertainment. Entertainment is vital for mental well-being, but it doesn't have to be expensive. Seniors can join community clubs, attend free yoga classes, or participate in local cultural events. Many parks or community centers host free activities like music performances, exhibitions, or workshops. If you love reading, visit your local library or swap books with friends. Spending time walking, gardening, or chatting with friends are also great ways to relax without spending money. These activities not only save cash but also promote a healthy, active lifestyle. 7. Invest in health to save in the long run. Health is the most important asset for seniors, and investing in it now can prevent costly medical bills later. Maintain a balanced diet, engage in light exercise like walking or yoga, and schedule regular checkups to catch issues early. Make the most of health insurance to reduce medical costs. If possible, Participate in community healthcare programs or free consultations. Staying healthy not only extends your life, but also minimizes unexpected healthcare expenses. Conclusion: saving money doesn't mean sacrificing quality of life. It's about making smart choices and maximizing what you have. With these 7 tips, creating a budget, using senior discounts, cooking at home, lowering utility costs, shopping wisely, enjoying affordable entertainment, and prioritizing health, you can manage your finances effectively and live more fully. Thank you for watching until the end. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment below and share one thing you learned today and how you plan to apply it in your life. Your thoughts mean a lot to us, so don't hesitate to share them. Reading your comments gives us motivation and encouragement. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us continue creating valuable content to inform and inspire you. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.